This is Mandarin Chinese class, lesson 19.
Our first word is 个
This is a classifier, which are also called measure words. The pinyin is GE and it's the fourth tone. It is often pronounced in the neutral tone, so that is how we will be pronouncing it. In Chinese, to join a number with a noun, you generally need a classifier in between.
For most of the nouns we have covered so far, 个 is the correct classifier to use. Our first translation. 我有一个英国朋友。我有一个英国朋友。
I have one British friend.
In lesson 18, we learned that E is the first tone, but we just use it as the second tone. This is because there is a pinyin rule for E, just like we learned for bu in lesson 2 and a third tone rule in lesson 3. When E stands alone, it stays the first tone. When followed by the fourth tone, it changes to a second tone, just like bu. And when followed by any other tone, it changes to a fourth tone. For 一个, 个 is still the fourth tone, even if we pronounce it as a neutral tone. So E must change to a second tone. In addition, when the number is 1, E can be omitted and the classifier used by itself.
Our second translation. How many teachers do you have?
你有几个老师？你有几个老师？ Next, we have 二
This is the number 2. The pinyin is ER and it's the fourth tone.
Next, we have 两
This is also the number 2. The pinyin is LIANG and it's the third tone.
二 is used in numbers and 两 is used before classifiers. Our third translation. 星期二我去上海。星期二我去上海。
I will go to Shanghai on Tuesday. Our fourth translation. Are you two Beijingers?
你们两个是北京人吗？你们两个是北京人吗？ You can think of the missing noun after 个 as people. Next, we have 杯
This is the classifier for a cup of or glass of. The pinyin is BEI and it's the first tone.
Our fifth translation. 我想喝杯冷水。我想喝杯冷水。
I'd like to drink a cup of cold water.
In this sentence, E was omitted.
Our sixth translation. I'm drinking water. Do you want a glass?
我在喝水，你想喝一杯吗？我在喝水，你想喝一杯吗？ In this sentence, we omitted the noun water after 杯. In English, we translated this as a glass, meaning a glass of water, not an empty glass. E could have also been omitted, but because it wasn't, it changed to a fourth tone because it was followed by the first tone. Finally, we have 茶
This is the noun tea. The pinyin is CHA and it's the second tone.
Our seventh translation. 茶比水好喝。茶比水好喝。
Tea tastes better than water.
This isn't a direct translation, but includes a meaning that adding 喝 adds to a sentence. Without 喝, the sentence would mean tea is better than water.
Our eighth and final translation. I didn't drink tea yesterday.
昨天我没有喝茶。昨天我没有喝茶。
That's all for this lesson. If you have any questions or want to try your own sentences using the vocabulary we've covered so far, leave a comment below. See you next time.
See you.